Welcome everyone. So today we are going to explore a powerful technique for dealing with anger problem. Anger is a natural emotion, but when it becomes overwhelming or uncontrollable, it can have a significant impact on our lives. Let's work together to find relief and peace. So today we are going to delve into the root cause of anger and learn how to harness its energy constructively so we can live more balanced and fulfilling lives. I want to acknowledge the courage it takes to confront our anger issues. It's not easy to admit when we are struggling, but by coming together in this space, we are taking a proactive step toward healing and growth. So let's embark on this journey together with openness, compassion, and a willingness to change. So, I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that anger emotions of irritation, betrayal, injustice, helplessness, frustration, or any fear. Dive deeper into that emotion or sensation. Now, rate the intensity of your emotions from 1 to 10, where 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So, start by tapping on the karate chop point. Even though I feel this intense anger bubbling up inside me, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I can't seem to control this anger, I choose to honor my feelings and let them go. Even though I feel consumed by anger, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So now we'll tap through the meridian points. This anger is overwhelming. I can feel it boiling inside me. It's hard to control, but I acknowledge it's there. I feel this anger in my body. It's tense and tight. I feel it in my chest. It's like a storm raging within me. Now take a deep breath. Notice any shifts in your feelings or sensation. Rate it once again from 1 to 10. Has it come down? Alright, so now we'll go round number 2. Now we'll be releasing this anger. So now let's focus on releasing this anger. Even though this anger feels overwhelming, I choose to release it now. Even though I have been holding onto this anger, I am ready to let it go. Even though I have allowed this anger to control me, I now release its grip on my life. I am ready to release this anger. It no longer serves me. I choose to let it go. I release this tension from my body. I forgive myself for holding on to this anger. I forgive anyone who contributed to it. I release it with love and compassion. I disassociate myself with this anger now. Take another deep breath and feel the sense of release and relief flooding through your body. Now we'll go with round number 3, cultivating peace. So now let's invite feelings of peace and calmness. I choose to cultivate peace within myself. Even though anger has been my default, I now choose peace. Even though it's been hard to find peace, I know it's within me and allow it to flow. I invite peace into my heart. I am calm and centered. I let go of the need to be angry. Peace washes over me. I am in control of my emotions. I choose to respond with peace. I am at peace with myself and others. I am surrounded by a sense of calmness. Take a final deep breath. allowing the feeling of peace to settle within you. Close your eyes. Take one more deep breath. Now rate your intensity.